is up, guys? Sugar here, and the main topic for this video is to tell you guys that I am leaving for a camping trip for 5 days, and yeah, I hope you like that new intro. I made it a long time ago, but I just forgot to post it on my last video. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I'm gonna put some music at the end of this video, so it's not a total waste. Anyway, I think I'll wrap this video up here.
Oh, 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 oh.
If you guys are wondering, that was a song that I made on GarageBand, and yeah, it didn't take me that long, but I hope you liked it. And as I was trying to say earlier, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here, and I'll see you later.